In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Dividends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find dividend information, how to read it, and how to visualize yields so you can quickly assess a company's dividend profile with confidence. Start by opening the platform and heading to a company's ticker page. Use the search bar to find the company you're interested in, then click through to its dedicated page. This page is your hub for everything we'll need. Next, move over to the Financials tab. Here, look for dividend-related sections. You'll find a historical series for dividends per share. This shows how much cash per share the company has paid out over time. Scan the trend to spot consistency, growth, or any cuts and suspensions. A steady rising line typically signals a mature, shareholder-friendly policy. Sharp changes can indicate shifting profitability or a strategic reset. Just below or nearby, you'll see the payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. As a rule of thumb, a lower, stable payout ratio suggests room for dividend maintenance or growth, while a very high ratio can be a warning that the dividend may be harder to sustain if earnings slow. Remember, this figure can swing more in cyclical industries, so look at several years, not just one. You may also notice supplementary metrics that help you gauge how much of the company's profits are being returned to shareholders. Use these as context to understand the company's dividend philosophy and how it balances reinvestment with shareholder returns. Now, head to the Valuation tab. This is where you'll find the trailing dividend yield and the next 12 months, dividend yield. Trailing yield is based on dividends paid over the last 12 months relative to today's share price. It's backward-looking and anchored in what actually happened. The next 12 months' dividend yield is forward-looking, reflecting the market's current view of expected dividends. Treat it as an estimate that can change with new guidance or analyst revisions. To make these easier to digest, click on the rows for trailing dividend yield and next 12 months dividend yield to chart them. Visualizing the trend helps you see how yield moves as price and payouts change over time. A rising yield can come from higher dividends, a falling share price, or both, so always interpret it in context with what you saw in financials. That's it. Go to a ticker page, review dividends per share and payout ratio in financials, then use valuation to compare trailing and forward yields, clicking through to chart the trends for a clear picture.